Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this is me, your teacher Saima from Middle Section APS Jutial. The recommended book for today's lesson is Window to World Geography 6. Students, today we will discuss chapter number 5, People and Places Around the World. Hope you understood the previous video tutorials well. Students, today's objectives are as under. Success criteria for today's lesson is: remember to search through internet to get more about Norway's natural phenomena and read the book carefully. Dear students, first of all we will discuss the location of Norway. Norway is located at 60.5 degree north and 8.47 degree east. It is situated in northern Europe next to Sweden and Finland. It borders North Atlantic Ocean to the west and the North Sea to the south. As you can see in the diagram that Norway is close to North Pole. Interesting geographical facts about Norway is Norway's terrain. Terrain refers to a stretch of land and its natural features. Norway forms parts of the Scandinavian peninsula which stretches across the countries of Denmark, Sweden, Finland and Iceland. The Scandinavian peninsula is the largest peninsula in Europe with a length of 1850 km and a width of 370 to 805 km. Do you know, students, what is peninsula? A peninsula is a piece of land that is mostly surrounded by water but still connected to a mainland. Most of the Norway consists of mountains that have been carved by prehistoric glaciers. Glaciers are huge masses of ice. Norway is located 500 meters above the sea on average. There are many fjords which are deep, long and narrow bodies of water that reach far inland. And fjords are formed when a glacier cuts into coastal land to form a large U-shaped valley which is flooded by seawater when the glacier melts. Norway's geology. Geology refers to the study of rocks. Norway has 3 areas with different geological features. First, there is southwestern Nis province that lies in the south of Norway. Since this area has many mineral deposits such as titanium, coal and iron ore, there are also many mines. Secondly, there is Oslo that lies on the Oslo Rift which consists of young magma rocks. Thirdly, there is the mountain range known as the Scandinavian Caledonites which consists mainly of sedimentary and volcanic rocks. Norway's main rivers. The longest rivers of Norway range from approximately 150 to 600 km long. One of the longest rivers that flows entirely in Norway is the Glomma River. And the other river is the Numedalslegan River. Dear students, now discussing Norway's climate. Although Norway is very near to the North Pole, it is warmer than expected because of the warm current known as Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream brings in warmer waters from tropical areas, which makes winter in the coastal areas of Norway not as cold as in the inland areas. This is also why coastal areas and inland areas experience very different climates. If we talk about Oslo, it is the capital city of Norway and it is located inland in southern Norway. Since Oslo is located inland, it experiences a continental climate with colder winters and warmer summers. And Bergen, the second biggest city in Norway, is located along the coast. Thus, it experiences a temperate oceanic climate with cooler summers and warmer winters than Oslo. Here is an activity for you, student. Search through internet to know about the northern lights, the natural phenomena that occurs in Norway. Do you know, students, that northern Norway experiences 24 hours of daylight for several weeks during summers and 24 hours of darkness for several weeks during winters. This is called the midnight sun and polar night. Now, population structure and density of Norway. Norway had a population of 53,28,212 people as of January 2019. The population grew by 0.6% from 2018. Kids up to 15 years are 18.70% and 16 to 66 years old are 66.2% and 67 plus years olds are 15%. Population density is in 2019 Norway was the 171st most densely populated country in the world. It had a low population density of 1661 persons per square kilometer. In comparison, Pakistan was the 55th most densely populated country in the world with 246 persons per square kilometer. Cultural life of Norway. Religions. The main religion of Norway is Christianity and Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, Judaism and Sikhism also exist in Norway. Ethnic groups. There are 83% of people are Norwegians, 8% are other Europeans and 9% people are from other countries. Languages. 95% of Norwegians speak Norwegian language as their first language, which is not Germanic language. Some people speak Swedish or Russian as well. Lifestyle. Norwegians enjoy a good work-life balance. They typically work for 7.5 hours on weekdays. During their free time, they like to be engaged with nature. They like playing football, handball, cycling, swimming and running. The food of Norwegian is 3 meals a day. Their love to nature is reflective in its cuisine. Fishes, meat, potatoes, coffee, salmon, eggs, sandwiches are used in their daily meals. Your homework is complete the home assignment after watching the video. Search through internet to get more information and write new and difficult words on a small notepad to build up the vocabulary. Thank you.